30-pound plus ruck. Gonna do rounds up that hill back and forth. See how many we can do.
All right, let's go. Let's get it.
Alright guys, this is one of my favorite exercises. Running uphill with a weighted backpack or weighted vest or any type of weight you can get on you. This will work your entire lower body. I'm talking your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, your calves, your tibialis, posterior and anterior. This will work every muscle fiber in your lower body. Give it a try. You'll see. So this part right here is so funny because I like to get down and take a sip of water, relax for a minute. He goes right for round 2 and I gotta go right behind him. So you see I look real annoyed right there, but I'm doing it anyways. At that point it becomes a true mental strength exercise because my body didn't want to do it. My mind was giving in. And then I made that conscious decision that, hey, you know what? No, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go for round 2 back to back. Let's go. You see right here, my friend, he decided he wanted to put on the backpack and try out the sprint with the backpack on. He saw how hard it was, but I respect that 100% because he had never done something like that before. That's what this is all about at the end of the day, is building that mental strength and getting rid of that self-doubt that you can't do this or you're not at that level. No, you try it anyways. Don't give up before you even give yourself a chance. You don't know what your body and mind are capable of if you push them enough.
Rolling. 1, 2. Weight a 30-pound backpack. Like a salvaje. Dang. That's right, no breaks, no breaks. He makes it look easy, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, hijo de
So this exercise right here I like to call the AAA drop set. It starts off with weighted push-ups with a backpack or a vest. Then you go down to a resistance band push-up, and then you end it with body weight push-ups. In this case I decided to add an extra step, which was the band chest presses, to really burn out that chest. This is something that I learned overseas from a friend of mine. He taught me this on the bench press, and all I did was adopt it and apply it to my body weight training. Cool thing about body weight training is that you don't have to use weights. You can use leverages. You can do archer push-ups, go down to regular push-ups, and end it with incline push-ups. There's many different variations of this.
Two more. 7, 8. Now all body weight. No, you can. For the next one, we'll put our feet up.
He's feeling it. Oh. There's no doubt in his mind though. That's right. 2, 3, 4. That motherfucker is a killer right there, bro. Yeah, that's why I'm like, this motherfucker brought out the bands. All right, come on. Halfway. 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. Ah.
Throw him on the floor if you have to.
Oh, shit. That is a motherfucker. Fucking bad. This shit looks so easy, bro. What the fuck?
Throw him on the floor if you have to, bro. There's no shame.
But there is, though. There's a shame, but there is.
Six. Up. 7. Let's go. 7. Push. Come on, man. You owe me 2. Let's go. Push.
One more.
Right. Fuck that man. Hey, that's it. That's 8. 8 body weights, baby. Let's go. Oh, you thought she was over?
Look, this is funny as hell, but I have mad respect for my friend right here because, look, you try doing this. Try doing the drop sit push-ups and then see how much you'll be laughing then. I get to laugh because I did it. You know, I can do this, but it's funny, but it's also admirable to see him not giving up and just pushing through the pain.
See, that's called dedication. He didn't give up. He got through it. You know, shit fucking hurts sometimes, but you gotta get through it.
Shit.
You don't drop and fucking feel sorry for yourself, right?
No.
Alright, so we're finishing up with a little bit of isolation here. This band workout, it targets the upper pecs, right? The upper part of your chest, so you can have a fuller looking chest. I like to finish up with these isolations, just to burn out the chest and work out as many parts of the chest or the body part that you're working out as you can, if that makes sense.
Rolling. Buenas tardes. Mucha suerte, ya casi llega. Go. You know someone's a master when they make it look easy. You know.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment below. Let me know what you think. This is my first official video on the journey to self-mastery. You guys take care. Thank you for all the support. Peace out.